Good day, everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Ryobi One 6-tool combo kit. This comes with a 1.5 hour and 4-hour battery and charger. If you're a DIYer like me, this is really the only kit you'll need. This will do the vast majority of all the projects that you could find yourself involved with. The really neat thing about all this stuff, the batteries work on all these different tools, all 6 of them. So you don't have to have a certain battery for one tool. I did a individual review of each of these pieces of equipment. I'll link those below so you can, if you're interested in finding out more about one particular product, you could do that as well. This also comes with a nice big heavy convenient carrying bag. So once again, with this you get the Sawzall, the multi-tool, the flashlight, the drill driver, and the impact driver, accessories as well in the bag to hold all this in. So it is an extremely good value. I really like Ryobi. I like how the equipment has been holding up. I've had this for over a year or so, and so it has not let me down. So if you'd like to find out more about this, please click the link below. And also if you click like and subscribe as well, really would help out the channel. I appreciate your time so much, and we'll talk to you soon.